Hello friends, I'm BBPraveen. Today we are gonna learn Photoshop. In Photoshop we are gonna learn how to remove the background. And now I have an image that has a white background. Now I am gonna remove this white background. To remove the white background, go to Select and click on Select and Mask. There, you could select your own with the clone tool or this tool. You could see that I'm selecting this by my own. Or if you don't want to do it on your own and some images will be very difficult to select, that we could click on Select Subject, which will select your subject automatically. So now I have clicked on Select Subject. Now it is processing, loading. Yeah, it has selected this correctly. After you have selected your image from the background, object from the background, you could click on OK. And now you could see that I could move this object from the background. And now if I want this person to stand on the road, I can just click on Control C and Control V. Now I can place anywhere I want, or I could just adjust the size by clicking on Control T. I think this is nice. And now let's click on Enter on your keyboard. And let's place this. This could place the image with using the arrow key on your keyboard. So let's again transform this. Okay, now let's click on Enter on your keyboard. Little bit up, right. Okay. Now it's like he's standing on the road. You'd select more things like this. And the another way to remove the background is go to the Object Selection tool. And now Object Selection tool. And now go to the mode Lasso. And now we could just zoom in, and then select. Will take some time to select this. Now do this. Oh, okay. Okay, okay. Now just selected this person correctly from the background. Another is, first let's deselect this and then change the mode to rectangle. If lasso is not comfortable for you to select, you could go to rectangle. Then just select. Now again it has selected the person from the background correctly. So, and now if you want to edit the selection, you have to subtract something. You could go here and could go here and subtract this. So it has subtracted this correctly. So now let's deselect this. And if you want be this face, you could just select this face. Just select it again correctly. We could do more things with this. If you want more and more perfection, you should zoom in by clicking on Control plus on your keyboard. So now let's go to lasso tool and just selecting this. Oh, something out. But let's go to rectangular tool and do this. And the next is this tool, which is magic wand tool. We could just select this. We could just use this tool to select small object to big object, all like this small thing is the eyes and hand, his hair, belt, shoes, pant, and shirt. Could just select in just one click. So we could just select that in just one click like a magic. So this name is Magic Wand Tool. Okay friends, that's all in this lesson. Okay friends, bye. Signing off by BBPraveen.